Right, it's Saturday morning and this is Omelette 101. We pre-cut our omelettes. They are non-stick frying pans. A little bit of straight rice bran oil in a spray bottle, about a teaspoon. Butter, bacon bits, I know you like the bacon bits, and mush these into the pan. Pan's on a high heat at the moment until the butter melts, then you turn it down really low. While that's melting, you get your egg and your eggs mixtures ready. It should only take a couple of minutes. Butter's now melted, temperature right down, give it a little flick. Stir it around. Now it's on a low heat. The creamy one, and here's the health conscious one, 150 mils of egg white on its own. One twist only. And then the fun bit. Get these ready to go in the pan. Put your spinach in the pan. Flicking is a good way of stirring things around. Another 60 seconds and we're good to go. And as soon as you put the egg mixture in, cheese goes in at the same time. You let it cook off for about a minute and a half or 2 minutes. Stir it around, particularly in the one that's full egg, because it will cook a lot faster, a lot slower than the one with egg whites. Don't ask me why, I've got no idea. If you get bubbles, pull it back and the liquid will go to fill the centre and then cook. That only usually happens with the egg white one. If you've got pans like I've got that are sort of commercial type pans, the handles will get hot. Tea towel in the pan makes it a lot easier. And then when you're ready, a little flip and it'll cook on the other side. Same with this one, but it will do a half flip. There we go. Look at that. Lot 101. Now you're about 30 seconds away from serving, so hopefully Maria's got the coffee underway. Now you can pretty much see that one went in first, that one went in second, that one's ready, that one still not. See, cooked, beautiful. I like mine cooked a lot less than Maria. She likes hers well done, a bit like her steaks. And I like mine, I wouldn't say rare, but I'd like it so that it's still just a little bit liquidy in the middle. Personal taste.
Crucified.
That's about right for me. Omelette 101.